Hi everyone, how are you guys? Gays, how are you gays? Hi, hi. My God, you have Wi-Fi to the invest, right? But can call. Hi, just the Wi-Fi just now. My God, come back now. Wi-Fi just come back now. What the? My God. Again, live stream more important. What? My God, I see more counseling mic. Super live, cha-cha line dance, huh? What do you mean? Sir Fred, my gulay. Even I'm doing live stream, I'm still working. Just busy. You eat your Sir Fred, you ate your dinner? Oh my God. Super chat. I shouldn't call hobby. Super. Okay, I call him. My God. My God. Answer. Han, answer me. Comments are free. Wait. Ha! Wait. I... Ah! Wait. Wait lang. Wait. I need to the air. Oh my God, wait time.
Mama, kuha ka tayo pebble.
Yeah, di na mo, ano. Ha, yeah.
Wow, yes.
I love you. Yeah. Yeah, may galet, may gulay. Why is Sir Fred? May gulay, Sir Fred. You mad at me? Oh shit. Ah, yeah, connection. No
Yeah.
I ride a scooter. Just in few minutes. Today, just in few minutes. Yeah, you know what? I know now. I know a little more. Nah. Yeah, that my nephew said just be careful the cylinder, like something, because it is because it's automatic. That's why if you're going down, no need to like this. Just stay and press the breaker, and then when you go in the up, need to add need to add. Yeah, that's it. And then the balance, need to balance. Just relax. No need to panic. Because I'm panic. Just relax. I don't panic, something like that. Maybe because I learn easy. I learn because I know how to bike. Because seem like that. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, 6 million. Yes. And then I need to always remind that something like this because it's automatic, and I always put the breaker much better. The breaker. Yes, yes, both of them. So that the back, yeah. The left is the back, and the right is the front. Yes. I'm excited to go somewhere. If I having a driver's license, I can go somewhere. And then the register of the motorcycle. My God, we'll go to the beach. I'm going to the beach, and I will make a video call with you. You will see that. Yeah, yeah, my nephew. He's my guard. Because I can't go alone because my mother. She thinks I'm a beauty. My God, I'm 41 years old. At the town. Yeah, someone I saw the house it's selling. But when I saw the apartment at the town, good. Some are rent at the town, and some are like apartment. Like when we saw, remember something like that. Good. I need to visit them. I need to look the room. Yeah. Mike, pay attention to your job. Oh, now she calls you, Mike. Why is she doing laughing if not paying attention? Mike, get off phone. Someone commented, can I buy your panties? Oh my god. Someone said, can no need to panty. Yeah, someone commented, can I buy your panties? Yes. Sir Fred, last. Um, sorry. You know what? Ano what you call? Mark. Mark Hayden. You know what? We never entertain ano here. What do you call this? Toxic here, like you. Not bad people, not allowed here. Sorry. If you sending the super chat, oh my god, very welcome here. Yeah, someone sending the super chat. Very welcome. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. No one. No one. I mean, Mike gets. Mike gets panties. Sir Fred comment. I have a lot of panties now, so no need to buy. Mike, buy me a beautiful panties when I'm at the mall. Yeah. When? Today? What? He already have. I mean, he. Okay. Okay. Mike's bigger than me. He might roll over me. Okay, go talk to hubby. I will shower. Okay, see you soon. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. Okay. Later. Okay pa. Joining what? Later. Okay. How's your feeling now? You feel better now? Back to normal? Look. Oh my man. Give me this. So beautiful. I'm getting married soon. You feel jealous? I think. I think we match each other. And it is. Yeah. Huh? Wow, that's great. My God. Yeah. Thank you, hon. Need to take her. Yeah, need to come back. I'm excited to come back. You miss me? Super, super duper time. Sorry. I need a kiss. Babe. Yeah. Yeah. Na, ano, remind. The very important, the shower, the aircon, and then the comfort room. Smoking please. Yeah, the windows need to having a windows in the doors, of course. Need a door. Need a private. Yeah, 2 bedrooms. Yes, it's something like what do you call this? Yes, I know the dining table, dining room. Yeah, I know the like dining. Ano what ito? Dining room, dining one. Then another one like having a sala. What you call this? I forgot. Living area, living area, yeah, something. Yes, I miss it. What the breakfast? Wow. Yeah, sometimes lunch. My God. Gosh. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Yeah, is someone, Sir Fred, someone like disrespect me. Like he said, open baby. Yeah, they can because I'm using ano. Yeah, using the phone. Headphone. Earphone. I'm trying to get a shower in mic not kicking people. It's okay, Sir Fred. They can't have me.
Mama, yun. Talagyan ko.
Look, so far looking at you. Look, beautiful.
Mama, tago mo yung charger ko.
Ito ho. You like it? Me, I love it. Because my question. Yeah, having a heart. It symbolizes that love is true. Wow, really wow. I love this. I love also the heart. Like a couple heart. Ito ka po. Yeah. Miss you. Yes. Oh my God. Nano. Nano. Yeah. Yes. I thought no chocolate milk. Oh my God.
Chocolate.
Wow, yummy. Oh my God. Super yummy. What na lang? Evening Christmas from windows, yeah. Noodles. Noodles, rice. Oh wow, yummy. You bought that? You bought that? You bought? Wow, yummy. You have a microwave? Wow, why? Why two? Yeah, I love that. Wow, that's great. I love that. Yeah, that's great. I love. Do you have a stove? You bought that stove or it's for the? Ah, okay. Wow, I love that. You can cook pizza there. Yeah, wow. Wow, beautiful motorcycle. The Harley Davidson. Wow, beautiful. Mike, it's almost Friday. Huh? What 76? Sir Fred. Sir Fred said, Mike, it's almost Friday. Can I have 76? What 76 means? Sir Fred said, can I have 76? Friday. What? Huh? Okay. Just like you got. Okay. Ay. No. No, Sir Fred. What's mine is only mine. Char. Beautiful outside. Wow, wow. Beautiful weather. Beautiful view. You, you have a peaceful place there. Quiet place. Yeah. In your schools. Ay. Yeah. You have a you have a first door and you have a second door. The first door having a screen. Okay. The first door is a glass. Oh, to keep it warm. Yeah, the windows. Wow, beautiful. I love that. Another window. Another window. Wow, that's great. Where's your heater? Wow, I love that. That's your heater. Oh my wow. That's great. Motor for the heater. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Ang galing. Amazing. Oh my god. That's why expensive. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, expensive. She ignoring everyone, Marcus. She on phone with hubby. As much as we tease you and you forgot 76. Hi, my name is William, living in United States. Is this a Philippine? Yeah, Philippines. I would mind visiting on vacation. That where my brother meets his wife. Now they're married and she's a teacher in the United States. Wow, that's great po. Yes, it's Philippines. Yeah, I'm living here in the Philippines, Sir William. How are you? Hi, Marcus. Thank you for joining here again. William. Hi, William. Yeah. Sir Fred, go to shower. I smell you now. You're stink. Get a shower, nah. It smells good, yeah. It smells good. It smells so good. And Mike told you to say that. Sir Fred said, you told me to say that. Thinking about finding a wife there. Ah, how old are you, Sir William? How old are you and how old are you? Are you married? I'm getting married soon, Sir Ronnie. Hi, Timor Nasibor. I'm a great counselor, so I know you too. Oh my god. Fred, we can smell you. Go get a damn shower you stink. Did Mike tell you? He gave 12 cents PayPal. Oh my god. Oh my god. 58 years old. That's how old I am, but I want somebody the same age as me. Really? If you want uh, um, are you married before, Sir William? You having a kids? Why you single? Let me bend over Mike and take a good smell. He live in United States. Sir William, where state do you live? In America, in United States, where state do you live? Matthew Pear. I love you, baby. Oh, why you love me? What? Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Matthew. Love you too. From Sir Fred. I'm still, ano ko, very respectful or you will kick out. Thank you, hon. I'm still teeny tiny. Look my bone. Yes, my wife cheated on me. Why? Oh my god. Why cheated on you? Where state do you live in US, Sir William? I can't get my wife to cheat on me. And I've tried. I can't get my wife to cheat on me. Oh my god. I live in Massachusetts. My name is William. Oh my. Nice to meet you, Sir William. Joking. Joking from Sir Fred. Yeah. Sir Fred. Sir Fred, can I ask you something? Sir Fred, are you still there? That's a great song, Massachusetts. Yeah, Massachusetts. Sir Fred, can I ask you something? I am Italy. You're not Italy. Maybe you're from Italy. Italy is a country. My name is Matthew. Yeah. He is from Italy. I am from Italy. My name is Matthew. Hi, Matthew from Italy. I ran away. Wait, Sir Fred. Can I ask you something? Wait. I was faithful to her, never cheated on her. Did you on her? Did you hurt me? Huh? Huh? I live in United States of America, Massachusetts, from William. What? Sir, can I ask Ma'am Cheryl's number? Blah blah. Blah blah blah. No, I won't marry you, Sher. No, not like that, my God. I said if I can. I get absolutely not. I'm not single, Sir Mateo. I'm not single. I'm not single. Because I'm engaged. I'm getting married soon. Pretty soon. No one gets wife's number. I'm not stupid. That's right. Good job, Sir Fred. I'm so proud of you. I love that. And again, Mike told you to.
Mama. Mama.
said I talked to Mom Cheryl about the wedding, something like that. See, I know you guys do good. My God. Ouch. Don't even try to push. Besides, I'm maid of honor and best man. Oh my God. Sir Fred, what's your dinner? I'm designing my outfit. I'm designing my outfit. My God. It's going to be a transgender wedding. Well, my wife can't be me. Well, my wife can't be my dinner. She is on ferry. Only have transgender mind. Ah, okay. Only have transgender mic. Only have half. In my life, I needed you. Kalimutan mo na yan. Sige, malibang. Huwag ka magpagka. Left side of my body has tuxedo. Right side body, nice dress. Hi, Sir Craig. Hello. Hi, Paul. Get your shower, Fred. The smell is coming through my iPod. My God. Oh my God. You both bully man. That's the plan, Mike, for the smell to get there. Oh, what's the plan? The bully man. The two bully men. Now let me spread my cheeks. Oops, with fart. Wait. Oh my God. No, may gulay. Feel so Nobody wants to see your canyon, Fred. It's horrifying. Okay, need shower now. Was too wet. Oh my God. See you soon. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. See you soon. See ya. Protect her now, Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh, wait. I am the live.